Did not recover.
So what the two the guy confessed to now, you are not aware?
I don't know what he confessed to now. I don't know anything he confessed to. That is his own confession. I don't know anything about his confession.
See, so they say the wire away. Sorry, what's your name?
Peter Ame from Kogi State.
From Kogi State. This year, so what's your name? Odiaon. If they say the time where you carry wire, where the Chinese see you through CCTV camera, that you drop some wire for backyard, where you say Odiaon carry you say that thing no happen.
Ẹ ṣeun ẹ kú ìtẹ́tí sí wa. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa wípé ẹ ṣe ẹ kú àtàárọ̀. A kú bójú ọjọ́ òní ṣe rí lágbára Ọlọ́run bá ojú òní tì wá. Ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Odiaon Peter àti àwọn akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n jí kébù pàápàá. Mo mọ̀ wípé ohun tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá àti àwọn iléeṣẹ́ eléyìí tó rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn lágbègbè wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wípé wọ́n ń pààyàn. Léyìí tó ti jẹ́ pé wọ́n pa èèyàn mẹ́ta lọ́nà kan náà tí wọ́n fi ń pa wọ́n ló fà á tí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fi ń jẹyọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n á mọ̀ dájú wípé ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ yìí Odiaon ń ṣẹ́ délẹ̀ ni. Ọlọ́gbọ́n èèyàn olóye èèyàn á mọ̀ wípé Odiaon ò ń ṣẹ́ délẹ̀ nítorí wípé wọ́n ti padà mójú ajé ko Oniso yẹn Peter àti Odiaon bóyá ẹ fojú ara yín kọra yín kẹ́ ẹ sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n lábẹ́ bó ti wù kó rí ṣe ni Odiaon sì ń sọ pé sẹ́ẹ̀ àní òun ò ṣe ohun tí wọ́n ní òun ṣe. Mo mọ̀ wípé láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà wọ́n máa tún gbé ẹjọ́ náà lọ sílé ẹjọ́. Eléyìí tí òtítọ́ yóò padà fi ojú wọn. Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kó dákun dábẹ́ tí tiẹ̀ ti jóná lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí kó má kóná mọ́ tèmi ti yín kó má kóná mọ́ tiwa lágbára Ẹlẹ́dàá. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ dé tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ wá ní ìkànnì Ajara Malifa TV ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wọ́ ní fẹ́ tí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wọ́ nídìí. Ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì ẹ̀ on notification button. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọlọ́gbọ́n àti olóye. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ kú ìfẹ́, ṣoore kan fún wa ẹ bá wa pín fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ share, ẹ like, ẹ comment. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.
Wetin be your name?
My name is Odiaon Oje. Odiaon Oje.
Odiaon Oje.
Yeah.
You are from which state?
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State. Who is from Delta State among you?
I don't know anybody from Delta State.
Okay. Which side of Edo State?
I'm from Onwa East. Onwa East.
Onwa East.
Yeah.
Now, which time you come to Ogun State?
I came to Ogun State 2015.
2015?
Yes.
Who brought you to Ogun State?
Ever Security Corps and Equipment Limited.
Ever Security?
Corps and Equipment Limited.
Okay. Now, where you join this? Security agencies?
I joined Ever Security for Lagos. That was 2013 ND. So I worked there with them for Lagos. So they said they were having issue in Ogun State, particularly that Ogun State. So that's how they deployed me to Ogun State.
What I'm saying is that the first time you came from Edo State to Ogun State, now who bring you? Who you follow come?
I don't follow anybody come.
Just come.
Yes. I come Lagos State now. So from Lagos State, now, before I joined Evers, that is what you are supposed to answer.
Okay.
Before I joined Evers, I worked with ASCO. So I started my security adventure since the year 2009. So I started from ASCO, Ashaka, ASCO Security. So at number 49, Apple Junction, First Stack Link, Amuwood of Lagos State. So when I started my training there, after the training, they deployed me to a beat. So I work in almost about 5 beats there with them. So before I left there and I applied for higher education. So after I graduated, I came back.
Which school?
So I went to University of Benin.
Benin?
Yes, Uniben.
Okay.
So
which course did you?
I studied chemistry.
Okay.
So after I finished, I came back to Lagos again because already before I left, I was having house in Lagos. So I came back.
School in Benin?
Yes, Benin. I came back again so to continue my security. So I work after then.
So you have a house in Lagos?
Yes.
You build the house or you?
Rent. I was on rent. Even when I went to school, I was still coming to Lagos and at least.
You are shuttling the boat?
Yes. And I still then I was still with the security company, as after I left ASCO. So I went to King David So I was in Kidevi when I was partially with them, going to school and come back. So during times of exam, I used to go back to school and do my things, take permission, and come back. So after I left, finished the school, I came back again. So I now have to join EVA security course because there were vacancies for them then. So when I came back, the Kidevi said there was no vacancy there. So that was how I joined EVA 2014 ND. So
now, to cut this whole story short, Lagos Star, with the Igbesa for Ogun State here. Now, which year you joined them?
I did not join Lagos Star. I'm not a worker for Lagos Star. Lagos Star came to meet me in that place. I'll be working.
Came to meet you at where?
I don't have any business with Lagos Star. I was deployed to Ogun State. And when I was deployed to Ogun State, I was deployed to hand in hand Nigeria Industry.
Hand in hand?
Yes.
And the hand in hand, as there security agencies also?
No, that was the company I was attached to. Hand in hand security, hand in hand Industry Limited was the company I was attached to as a guard.
As a guard?
Yes. So I worked there for hand in hand is just like an industrial park containing of like almost about 6 to 5 companies. So I was attached to the hand in hand at the gate. So all other security have all other factories, just like this Lagos Star now, they have their own security. So I am not in charge of them, so I don't control them. So I want to control the access gate and open and close and check WB and registered motor. So that is just my job in the hand in hand.
Now, what is your connection now? But you work with Lagos Star?
I don't work with Lagos Star.
Wait. You don't work with Lagos Star. You have never been in Lagos Star company?
Lagos Star is a department inside hand in hand.
I know. Okay, what does Lagos Star do?
Lagos Star are into cable and wires.
Cable and wires?
Yes.
Okay. You are not their staff?
No, I'm not their staff.
Okay. What is your connection with their staffs?
I don't have any connection with their staff. I don't have business with their staff. I don't have connection with their staff. To even cut the whole matter short, Lagos Star have their own internal security.
So I want to understand the way. So because I don't want with this interview long, so just short this thing. So Lagos Star, where they produce a cable, and that of your own company hand in hand, it's just like many company in the same compound.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, so in that compound now, say person they just like estate, mini estate, say okay, this estate, this company they different, this company they different, with them they, but not the same compound with they.
Yes.
So now, this Lagos Star, where they produce cable and wire. Now, waiting be your own connection with them, because some of your boys when I work together say, or is it collectively in that compound that you guys were paid?
No, I'm not paid collectively. I work for Evers. Evers pay me salary. So Evers know who is paying them for my own work.
So your work doesn't even go with Lagos Star. You don't collect money from Lagos Star?
I don't work for Lagos Star. I don't collect money from Lagos Star.
Okay. This guy with the drive this forklift for Lagos Star. What's him be his name?
I don't know. I don't know the one you are talking about. I don't.
The guy we left Lagos Star, where they then drive a forklift.
I don't know the one you are talking about. I don't know the guy.
You don't know the guy? Okay. Which guy among Lagos Star where they do wire and cable, you don't ever do any business with or this deal with?
Like I said before, I don't have any business with anybody in Lagos Star. Lagos Star have their own internal security. 10. They have Mopo inside their factory. I don't control them. They have their internal security. 10. They have Mopo inside their place. 10. Okay. And secondly, they have a scanning machine, which if worker want to go out, it will pass through. And Mopo are always in that place with the security that is there.
I want to remember Peter Ahmed. What's your connection with Peter Ahmed?
I don't have any business with Peter.
which deal have you ever done with Peter, where they work with Lagos Star, under that compound, where you take give am a share of 350,000?
I no get business with Peter. I no give Peter money. I no transfer money for Peter. I no give Peter money.
They say sometimes where he carry wire from Lagos Star connected to you as a security, as CSO in that place. Say after you sell the wire, you give am 350,000 with the other guy.
I no give her any money. I no sell wire. I no give her any money. I no sell. Peter no give me wire sell, and I no give Peter any money.
I'm hearing you.
I've said it. I say I no Peter no give me wire. I no sell Peter. I no sell wire for Peter, and I no give Peter money.
Okay, now in that Lagos Star, you say you joined them 2015, right?
Lagos Star came to meet me in that place. Lagos Star as a company came to that industrial park.
You were there already existing in that?
Yes, before they came.
Okay.
So
when they came?
I don't know where they come from. So there was a company that was there before, named as Rich Pipe. That was in the particular place where they come from now, where they are. Where
those
they
one vacates and Lagos Star enter.
Yeah, those one vacated and they went to free trade zone, and they changed their name to Panda. So they are still existing there now as in Panda. So those one were producing iron pipe. Those one were producing iron pipe and galvanize.
Now let's leave that one. Now you say now you never work for Lagos Star, you don't have anything to do with Lagos Star, and this Peter Ahmed, you know the Peter Ahmed, Abi?
I remember the Peter Ahmed you are talking about. That was the first offender.
Okay.
In this statement.
You say you never give her money, you never.
I never give her money one day.
Now, are you aware that some people were killed in that Lagos Star company?
Then nobody was killed inside the company. Nobody was killed there.
In 2022, 2023, 2024, nobody was killed.
Nobody was killed inside the company.
Okay. Outside the company, you don't hear that sometimes some of their staff dies by gunshots.
It was that last. It should be last issue. Can't remember the date exactly. Although I remember because at the access gate when they said one of their worker. It was if it was even after his death we got to know about the information that one of their worker there, because I'm not at the beat. I don't man any beat as a guard. So there are people there working. So it was called. I received that there was that they are coming out. They saw somebody at because there is bush along the front of the company. They saw somebody lying down there. When they approached the person, they found that it was one of the Lagos Star worker. So that was his name was Ebe. So yes, and they rushed to.
What was his post?
I don't know because I was not working with them. But what I saw at the access gate there, anytime I come, he used to bring goods in, as maybe like something like messenger if they go and buy something come and for company. So that is the only thing I know.
So the HR, the HR for Lagos Star. So you say you don't know him as HR?
No, I didn't say I did not know him as HR. I just said I'm not working with them. I know he do pass through the access gate. He's the HR. He do sign and register and go into their own department. Like I said before, we have 5 companies there, so they will just register at the gate. Everybody will go to their own different places. Their own security will search them.
Is that the only man you are aware that they killed with gunshots in that place?
That Ebe, I don't know what really happened. It was when I came outside. When they called me, I came. Before them, no, the first person, that was Ebe. When I came,
was HR the last person they killed?
HR is just this person that was killed recently. That is October 16.
Okay. The second person, wait now this year they kill him.
October 16, 2024 now, last month.
They say the second person, where is then killed?
The second person that was killed that I know.
Okay.
It's only
Ebe Labi.
Yeah, Ebe is the
kill Ebe.
Like I was saying before, I was not at the gate, so they called. When I came, they said that they saw somebody lie down. No, like I said before, the gate, you have only just road to
what
the
was
gate.
That one post?
Every other place is
what was that one post?
As I've said this, I don't know his post, but like just from my own understanding, he used to bring goods. Like somebody that would say, go and buy bread, go and buy mineral, because they used to give.
Okay, let's not forget about that one. That is making two. you are aware, you know that they kill. You hear say they kill.
Yeah, I will not-
Abi?
Yes.
But are the 2 people you were aware that they killed?
Those are the people that were killed now.
Okay.
Since I've been there, those are the 2 people I know that they have been killed.
With gunshots.
I don't know what they used to kill them.
Okay, now, on your own arrest, when they search you house and this thing, how did you acquire all those guns and all those ammunition?
They are not my property, sir. I'm not the owner.
You're not the owner.
Yes, sir.
You know, are you aware that when they were recovering all those things from your house, there was a video of your house, the video of you where you keep them and everything?
If there is video, let them keep the video now. You make use of it now. But I don't know. I'm not aware.
You don't have a gun at home.
I don't have a gun at home.
You don't have any ammunition at all.
I don't have ammunition at
All
home.
those juju they carry for your house, not be your own. How the things did they reach your house?
It's not my property.
It's whose property?
I don't know the owner.
So what you are saying now is that all those things that you people do now, you are saying now that you are not remorse, you don't care. Because I see that you are denying many things. When this Ahmed also, Peter Ahmed, Abi? Is it Peter Ahmed? Ahmed. Peter. Peter Ahmed, Abi? Peter Ahmed. One of the property where they stole from this Lagos Star cable, when you recover, where you carry, go sell, give Peter Ahmed 350,000. Now you are denying that you don't even do any deal, you don't even give any money. This same Peter Ahmed, with the driver, this forklift, when he steal wire, carry and put for backyard. Now you recover the wire, go carry him. Where the boy leave the company. You say that one, so you are not aware of it.
Point of correction. I did not recover any wire from anybody called Peter. So he knows why he left the company. So I don't know the reason why he left the company. So I did not recover any.
Both the two, the guy confessed to now, you are not aware.
I don't know what he confessed to now. I don't know anything he confessed to. That is his own confession. I don't know anything about his confession.
See, so they say the wire way. Sorry, what's in your name?
Peter Ame from Kogi State.
From Kogi State. This year, so what's your name?
Odiaon.
Odiaon. If they say the time where you carry wire, where the Chinese see you through CCTV camera, that you drop some wire for backyard, where you say Odiaon carry am, you say that will not happen.
But you can ask our guy. You get one day when they call me come outside. They ask me questions. They even brought him come outside. He say when I pass it through the fence, when I pass it through the fence without informing, is the one that went and pick it.
Is Odiaon working with Lagos Star?
No.
But the company is in the same compound.
Yes, that is the company. Just the whole company was called 3 kilometers, but there are many factories they use which they used to rent. It's for rentage. Okay. So the one functioning there is called Lagos Star. That is where they do the wire and cable.
Okay. The second deal where you do the deal where you do where you give you 350,000 now waiting.
As in,
wetin be connection wey dey between you and Odiaon where you carry 350,000 give you?
There's no any connection apart of the copper wire bring come outside wey him sell.
Copper wire?
Yes.
You carry am give am abi?
Yes.
Okay. He come give you your own share of. You say you are 2 wey you give share of 350,000. You and who?
It's me and Musa.
Boy, Odiaon dey say the thing no happen. Say he never give you kobo. Say you no even know about anything no happen between you and him. Odiaon? This boy say the thing wey happen between you and him, say when he carry the cable, you go sell, you give am 350,000.
Oga, he no give me cable. He no give me cable. when somebody say give her something, that is say maybe you did then give, he no give me cable, he no give me any cable, I no sell any cable, give her any money.
You no give her any share.
He no give me cable, and he no carry cable give me, and I no
cable wey in carry put for backyard, wey say you go carry, we go recover carry.
I no recover. I no recover copper, I no recover cable because.
Now waiting dey your mind, wetin you want make government do for you now? All Nigerians and government, wetin want make